Hi guys, welcome to another vlog, and today is super chilly and that's why I made myself a little cup of coffee. Usually I'll do like smoothies or any healthier stuff, but today I was really feeling like having a cup of coffee, so I'm gonna enjoy this. And I am learning how to make like lattes and latte art, and today I failed miserably because I used a dairy-free creamer, and I feel like if I use a dairy creamer, the froth is pretty significant. Today I used a oat milk creamer and there is no froth whatsoever, but still this one tastes really good. So yeah, I did that. Right now I have some editing to do and submit a video for approval, and then we are going to deodorize the couch. What else I have to do today? And then I have to do the floating shelf again, get an artwork for the floating shelf. I have to get some groceries done in the evening. First of all, I'm gonna get some editing out of the way so that we can get started with the couch. So we have made quite the progress over here. I'm done with the editing. I've submitted the video for review. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get ready because I do have to film some videos for a few other clients. So I'm gonna do that. I also visited Target the other day and I got few pillows for the couch. So this is the first one I got, and it has very nice texture and it's very neutral, exactly what I was looking for. I have jute rug in my living room which is darker in the shade. Basically both resembles, but that one is little darker than this one, so it's like few shades lighter, so I thought it'll be good with that. And I've got bigger pillow, very similar design, but yeah, it has like less white stripes than this. I've got 3 of these and 2 of these. And the next thing I got is this throw, again very neutral color, and it's very soft, comfy and cozy, so I thought it would be nice now that we have the Christmas decor out, so we are going for a very neutral vibe. And I also found this beautiful ceramic colander. I found this as soon as I walked into the Target. There's like there will be little stuff which is under $5, so yeah, I found this, and the initial plan was to remove this handle and use this as a berry colander, but as you can see over here, it's pretty deep, so I'm thinking what to do. Maybe I can put like limes, oranges, or maybe avocados. We'll see how I'm gonna use it, but I feel like it's such a pretty find for the price. The next thing I found was these 2 nail color. This is from Essie and the shade is 49. So this is how the shade looks like. If you like wearing neutral shades, definitely recommend this one from Essie. I feel like it's so pretty. I usually wear this color most of the time. Around Christmas I did red this time, and initially I picked up one and then I saw that it's on sale, so I had to get another one. Usually it's around 11 or 12 bucks, but I found this for $3, which was insane, so I grabbed 2. The next thing I found was this beautiful pitcher. I couldn't wait and I started using it, but it's so pretty. I love the sleek design of it, and the best part about this one is that the lid is like very tightly secure, so it's like not moving around, and I feel like it will be perfect during spring and summer to infuse the water. And the main thing why I went to Target was for this picture frame. So I've got this picture frame. This is in the size 18 by 24. This is for the floating shelf in kitchen. So I'm gonna put a artwork here, and I have found a beautiful artwork from Etsy. So I'm gonna print that and put it inside and show you how everything looks. Okay, and I've got few things from Amazon. So first thing I got is this gratitude journal. This is Good Day Start with Gratitude journal. It's very small and tiny, and it's very simple also inside. So every page will have a quote on top and then you write the date over here and write 3 things you are grateful for every day. So it's not already dated, which I really like, so that even if I'm missing any day, I can put the date by myself. So yeah. And the next thing I got is a book, and this is the Sedona method, and I've heard a lot of good things about it. I am right now at page 45, so still a long way to go, but I'm really loving what the author is talking about here. So the book says your key to lasting happiness, success, peace and emotional well-being. I've been really liking the book so far and cannot wait to dive in further, and I am planning on doing a separate video on books. Maybe that will come next month. Okay, let me know if you will be interested in that. Also, let me know in the comments what you are reading currently. I would love to know that. And the next thing I got was this Legend planner. So I am definitely someone who is not good at using planner, but I was like, okay, let me give it a shot again this year. So 2023 we are doing it again, and I really like this planner because it has daily spread and also it has monthly spread, and you can also have quarterly plans. I've been really enjoying using this, and I really like how this planner is designed. It has very little sections, and I feel like these are really useful. It has work to-do list, personal to-do list, and also has habit tracker, big wins, lesson learned, and how I'm gonna improve next week. I feel like this is really good. I've been really enjoying using this. And this planner also has calendar blocks, so it has blocks of half an hour, start at 6 and ends at 9. So it has 6, 6:30, 7, 7:30 and so on. And it's so fascinating to see why I was never satisfied with my work day, because I was always underestimating the time a task takes to complete. And after writing in this planner, I'm able to exactly know how much time a task takes, which is giving me less anxiety, and I feel like I'm more in control. So yeah, if you're looking for something like this, definitely check it out. I ordered another color before, but the pages has some problems, so I got a new one, and it comes in multiple color and multiple sizes, and I wanted a big one because I like to write a lot. So yeah, I did that. Okay, and the next exciting thing I got is a recipe binder. This is how this looks. So here we have table of contents, and then you can write your recipe here, ingredients here, and directions here. If you know me, I absolutely love to cook and love to experiment with recipes, so I thought it would be really nice idea to have everything at one place so that I can pass it on to some of my friends, nieces and nephews, or maybe future generations, hopefully, and to you guys sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna write my recipes here and we'll see how the collection grows. So I ordered few of the recipe books, but I kept this one because this is the one in the binder format. If I'm out of the space here, I can get more pages and attach to it, but I don't think I will be out soon because we have quite a lot of pages over here. And it also has this little dividers in the back, so you can customize the planner the way you like. And now the plan is to clean the couch, deodorize the couch, and place this new pillows there. And then I'm gonna also decorate the floating shelf. It was all Christmas themed before, but now I'm gonna go ahead with more neutral palette. So I kept this red chair here for Christmas. I thought it will be a really nice pop of color during Christmas, but this chair we used to keep in our guest room, so this is go there now. I'm looking for neutral accent chair for our living room, so let me know if you have any recommendations in the comment section. I feel like this seating space is enough, but yeah, I would like to have few more chairs so that it'll be nice if I'm hosting more people. The school bus is here. Yogi, you wanna go out? Let's go. Okay, now he's continuously barking because the school bus is here, and then he just likes to play with kids, so he just goes out and barks every single day at this time. Yeah, anyway, we'll get started with the couch. and I forgot to share, but this pillow was sent to me by YouTube. I feel like it's such a special thing to receive anything from YouTube, so I just kept it here and I'm gonna keep it in my office. So yeah, I'm super thankful for you guys for your support and love, and thank you so much YouTube for sending this cute little gift to me. For cleaning the couch, I'll be using this cleaner from Hoover. So you basically fill the water on one side and then the dirty water gets collected over here. And this one also comes with spot removing liquid, which you can use if you have any spots. But personally, I love using Folex, so I'm gonna link the Folex. I feel like it's amazing. It removes any stains whatsoever. As you can see, we have like white couch, so we do have to maintain it a little bit more than usual. But yeah, this tool is really good. So basically you wanna use this on couch like that. It takes water from here and then the dirty water gets collected over here. So this couch has removable covers on the cushion so that we can wash it. It has a zipper over here, you can open it and wash it, but right now it looks pretty clean to me, so I'm not gonna wash it. Got this couch from Crate & Barrel and it was definitely an investment piece. So we did our research and I went to like multiple stores and finally settled onto this because this was just going perfectly with the space over here. This fabric is also performance fabric, so it does not get stained easily, and we have had this couch for last 1.5 years and still it's in such a great condition. So if you are somebody who's looking for a nice high quality sectional, definitely recommend this couch from Crate & Barrel, and it's super comfy as well. I love the fact that it's neutral, so if it's Christmas I can put on a red throw to make it festive, and during spring and summer I can use color accordingly. So I feel like that really helps and it acts as a blank canvas if you are into decorating. Yogi, you can sit after a while. Okay, we are done removing and these were heavy. Okay, so I am done with cleaning the exposed parts, and it was such a task. It required a lot of elbow grease. Yeah, I'm just gonna place all the cushions back and then I'm gonna deodorize the couch. I feel like that is really helpful, and if you have kids or pets, deodorizing really helps because if you have any like odors, the baking soda just absorbs everything and makes the couch smell really good. So yeah, let's make the mixture for deodorizing the couch. All you're going to do is just take baking soda, get rid of the lumps, and then you can add any essential oil of your choice. I'm using lavender here. You just want to add a few drops of it and the mixture is ready. So you want to just sprinkle this mixture all over the couch and leave it on for 30 minutes so that it will absorb all the odors or any moisture. So I have sprinkled the mixture everywhere and this whole area smells like lavender, so good. So I'm gonna just leave it on for about 30 minutes or so and then vacuum it and clean it. Now let's work on that floating shelf. So initially this wall was plain and blank, so we put up this floating shelf. These are from IKEA, and if you wanna see the whole step how I did it, I'm gonna link the vlog right above here so that you can go ahead and check. But it was super simple to install. It's really sturdy and holds a lot of stuff. I feel like this area is really great to display the seasonal decors. So during Christmas I had some Christmassy stuff, and then during fall I had some fall touches, and now I'm gonna decorate it very simple, nothing much, just few elements here and there. So I thrifted these two books recently and I really love the color tones of this. I really like this green and this forest green, and I have a lot of green around the house, so I feel like these two green color will be really nice. Over here And if you have watched my fall decorate with me video, I thrifted this that time, and I feel like this is just perfect and adds a nice warmth to the space. So I'm gonna add this here, and this plant is going to go here. And I like keeping this junk basket over here so that if you have some items which has no home, this can be their little home. I like keeping my keys over here or some random stuff. So this is going to go here. And recently I thrifted these 2 jars, and this is not suitable for food use, it's for decorative purposes only. But look how pretty are the details. It has cork lid. Right now it's just empty. I'm not sure what to keep, but this is going to be here. I found these 2 pretty plants from Sprouts. These were on sale for $1. Can you imagine? I love finding good stuff. I found this. When did I find this? In November, when they were like having plant sale. I feel like that is the great time to look for plants. These were not in good condition whatsoever, but I was like, it's just $1, let me take a chance. And I just watered them, kept in sunlight, and they are absolutely thriving. This artwork is going to go above there. I feel like this is such a perfect size. Yes, it is. Okay, I'll have to change the artwork, and I'm gonna print the artwork soon and maybe change it in the next vlog. Okay, and I got this to keep this here, but I feel like it's way too small. What do you guys think? I definitely feel like this is way too small, so I'll have to find something which goes well. Right now, that is going to be there. Okay guys, so I am done, and it's all nice and clean, and this whole space smells like lavender, calm and soothing. And also I kept the pillows, and I feel like the color against the rug is super pretty. Now let's open this and see how this looks. Okay, it's very nice and big. Here, yay! You guys, so today was such a day. We got so much done, super happy about it, and I'm so ready for the bed right now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna end the vlog right here, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.